Hello, my name is Jessica, and today I will show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet. And MetaMask is a crypto wallet where you're able to store coins and tokens and perform various transactions on the blockchain. And it's great because all you need is a browser for it. And here I am using Chrome to use my MetaMask. And I am here in the Chrome Web Store, and the first thing that I'm going to do is search for MetaMask, one word. And here are the results, and it's the first one, and make sure that it says that it's offered by metamask.io and not some other random website, because you don't want to download some kind of application that may be trying to steal your money or something. So here I'm going to click on add extension and wait for a little bit. It shouldn't take too long to download and install, and then it will show up here when it's ready. Here it is. So then I click here and then I click on get started. All right, so if you're new to MetaMask, this is what's going to show on the screen. We're going to click on create a wallet and click on agree, and then click and then create a password. You can choose any password that you want, and this will be your spending password. Notice that they didn't ask you for an email or anything, and this is because wallets work differently and they don't actually have an account. They're on the blockchain, so what you will actually get is a seeding phrase, and with that you'll be able to restore your account. So that way, if you need to recover your account elsewhere, let's say on a new computer on the same device because you reset your computer or something happened, I don't know, then you'll be able to do that with the seed phrase. Okay, so here I'm going to click on create, and this is where the secret backup phrase is going to show, and I'm going to reveal the words because I will not be using this account. This is just for this video's purpose, or for the purposes of this video, and but I would say that you have to be very careful about this backup phrase. Make sure that you write it down somewhere offline. Here are some tips also that you can read, but I think it's best to just write it somewhere offline, let's say in a notebook or something that you'll keep secure, and do not share it with anyone. Try not to put it anywhere online or even on a computer, because it's possible you get hacked, and in that way all your funds will be compromised. So just be very careful with this backup phrase. It's very important. Okay, so I am going to write it down on a piece of paper. And now that I wrote down the secret backup phrase, I will click on next, and I'm going to confirm the secret backup phrase. Some people also memorize their backup phrase, but I find that would be way too much for me, so I just write it down. And that's it. And here we are. So we're able to use these QR codes in order to receive funds on our MetaMask wallet. Right now, the MetaMask it is on the Ethereum mainnet, but as you can see, there are various networks that you can be on. And if you're new to crypto, don't worry too much about this. This all you need to know, I guess, is that if you're on the Ethereum mainnet, then you're able to receive Ethereum in this wallet. You can add different tokens here. You can either search or add a custom token here. So one token that you may be interested in adding would be the USDC coin. This is also on the Ethereum network. And as you can see here, you can send or swap. USDC. And if you want to receive funds on this account in USDC, then you can copy this wallet address or use this QR code. And this is all on the same wallet, so it's very nice and convenient. So something else that you can do is buy your Ethereum directly. Unfortunately, you cannot do the same with USDC, but you can with Ethereum, and you can use Wire. So here you will just, enter your payment information, and you will get a transaction fee, a network fee, and and then the transaction will be performed. I would suggest looking at the Ethereum gas fees prior to making any transactions on the Ethereum network, because the fees vary depending on the time, and there are various websites that you can use in order to track the fees. There's one that I like in particular. Let's see if I can find it. So the link actually is ethereumprice.org/gas. And here you can see the Ethereum gas prices over a period of time. So right now they're 20, and that's pretty low. At one point they were quite high, over 400, and that makes for pretty hefty fees. So I definitely would suggest checking this before you make any kind of transaction on the Ethereum network. You will definitely save some fees in this way. Okay, so I will not be purchasing any Ethereum, but if you wanted to, this is the process that you would take to do that. Yeah, and that's it. So your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready to be used. Hopefully you found this video informative and pretty straightforward, since setting up a wallet is actually not too complicated, and hopefully you're now on your way to making a lot of different crypto purchases or transactions or whatever it may be. And I will definitely be making more videos in the future of how to practically use MetaMask in different kinds of situations where it would be useful. Please let me know what kind of videos you would like to see on this channel. I am just starting out, and I'm excited to be making more educational content for you guys, and just let me know what topics you would like to see next. If you found this content helpful, please click on like, hit the subscribe button, and click on the notification bell in order to be informed next time that I make a video. Check out my socials below, and also links to exchanges, wallets, and things like that. Anything that I think you guys would find helpful. I also have an NFT store that you can check out. It's on Lightmint. Currently I have 2 pieces of work since I just started, and I have my film photography on there. So please check it out when you have the chance, and that's it. Have a good one.